Unleash your inner athlete, the cardio advantage. We often associate cardio with shedding pounds, but its benefits go far beyond slimming down. Cardiovascular exercise is a powerful tool that can transform your body from the inside out. It's about building a stronger heart, increasing your energy, and improving your overall health. Think of cardio as unlocking your body's full potential. Regular cardio workouts are like unlocking secret levels in a video game. You gain endurance, stamina, and the ability to push your limits further than you ever thought possible. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, cardio is the key to unlocking a healthier, more energetic you. So, let's dive in and explore the amazing ways cardio can transform your body and life. The heart of the matter: cardio's health benefits. Cardiovascular exercise, often shortened to cardio, encompasses any activity that gets your heart rate up and increases blood flow. Think running, swimming, cycling, dancing, the options are endless. This increased blood flow brings oxygen to your muscles and organs, improving their function and boosting your overall health. The benefits of regular cardio are numerous and profound. Cardio strengthens your heart, lowers blood pressure, improves cholesterol levels, and reduces the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Beyond these crucial health benefits, cardio also helps regulate blood sugar levels, improves sleep quality, strengthens your immune system, and even increases bone density. It's a true powerhouse for overall well-being. Debunking the myth. Cardio is more than just weight loss. While cardio can be a valuable tool for weight management, it's important to remember that its benefits extend far beyond the number on the scale. Many people view cardio solely as a means to burn calories and lose weight. However, this narrow perspective overlooks the profound impact cardio has on our overall health and well-being. Cardio is about so much more than just shedding pounds. It's about building a healthier, stronger, and more resilient body. By focusing solely on weight loss, we miss out on the incredible opportunity to improve our cardiovascular health, boost our energy levels, and enhance our mental well-being through regular cardio exercise. Section 4. The science of cardio fueling your body's transformation. So, how does cardio work its magic on a scientific level? When you engage in cardio, your heart pumps faster, increasing blood flow throughout your body. This increased blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, while also removing waste products more efficiently. As you continue to challenge your body with cardio, your heart becomes stronger and more efficient, pumping more blood with each beat. This means your resting heart rate lowers, and you can exercise for longer periods without feeling winded. Moreover, cardio boosts your metabolism, which is the process by which your body converts food into energy. This means you burn more calories throughout the day, even at rest, which can contribute to healthy weight management. Section 5. Building a better you: cardio's impact on strength and mind. Cardio's benefits go beyond the physical realm. It also has a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. Regular cardio releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. Furthermore, cardio improves sleep quality, reduces anxiety and depression symptoms, and enhances cognitive function, including memory and attention. It's like a workout for your brain as well as your body. Incorporating cardio into your routine can lead to increased confidence, improved body image, and a greater sense of overall well-being. It empowers you to feel your best both physically and mentally. Section 6. Embrace the cardio challenge, transform your life one step at a time. In conclusion, cardio is not just about fitting into a smaller pair of jeans, it's about investing in a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. From strengthening your heart and boosting your energy to improving your mood and sharpening your mind, the benefits of cardio are undeniable. So, lace up your sneakers, grab a friend, and embrace the transformative power of cardio. Experiment with different activities, find what you enjoy, and make it a regular part of your routine. Remember, even small steps can lead to significant changes over time. Start today and experience the incredible transformation that cardio can bring to your body and your life.